I can't find my other shoe right now, which sucks. Kaylee's becoming Pinterest famous. I'll link her below. I found my other shoe, yay! I found it. Today we have a sub, so I guess I couldn't really have to come here today. No, I'm trying to move. There's the sub.
How the frick is this camera? How you feeling about physics?
Okay, you guys, we're gonna take roll, and then after that, we're gonna do nothing.
No, we're watching a video and doing notes.
What? Hear anything you just said. I don't think he will. Oh, dude.
Do it.
Do it.
Along the edge of the wheel.
Michael.
Since speed is distance over time, a shorter distance covered in the same amount of time must mean a slower tangent. Centripetal force is simply centripetal acceleration. We move along the tangent line at the precise moment of release, since there would no longer be any circular path without any problem. If you are seeking a thrill and decide to let go,
well, that's physics for you. What a dumb class. Okay. Well, right now, everyone's working right now.
I don't know what it's called. It's
Just got done with physics. We out here at lunch right now, and I'm deciding to be more healthy. So I just made myself some corn dogs. Stop! Hello. So, how was class?
Bad.
Why? So like boys.
Dude, turn around. Austin, turn your camera around.
No.
Please. Yeah.
Dang. Holy crap, that was a bomb.
What are you doing?
What? I'm just gonna make it hotter.
Hey, you don't have my consent to film. Stop filming me. Stop. Don't just scare it, bro. Look at all the cracks and crevices.
What up, pimps? Oh, we are currently at theater right now. It's theater time. Theater time. Theater time. Michael pointing at you.
Are you vlogging?
Yes, I am. Calm down. Calm down.
I liked him forever.
Okay, so that's all the time they get forever.
I don't understand how come they're always like, oh, Stino's vlogging every time you vlog. Like, they always just want to be in it. They don't care about you. I care about only you. I don't care at all about your vlog. I don't care at all about the videos. You know, I'm a real friendship, okay?
This is our director for Anne Frank. It's gonna be the coolest show ever.
Yeah, it is.
Hey, what's up? I wonder how close I can get before it touches you. We're doing a, what's it called? A read-through right now of Anne Frank. This is the whole crew. Madison, Nate. Stop trying to be in it, get away.
Hey,
What? How about I hold it? Kenzie has something really, really serious to say.
I just want to say that I'm really happy that he's doing daily vlogs again. I don't care.
No?
Just because
I'm not gonna cut any of this out. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to hit that subscribe and like button. Leave a dope comment if you're still watching. Nate's gonna show us something really cool. Watch this. You put the dollar in. Come back. Come back. Yeet. Wasn't that sick?
1, 2.